welcome back to our channel, and today we have our shopping haul. And guess what? We just bought from Minnesota, and our shopping haul is just simple. 2 blind boxes from one each of us. Yeah, just for one each of us. Oh, also not to mention that. Yay! Our shopping haul. Yes, this is our. Yes, also not to mention that this is our also first haul. You first, sis. Oh, not. Oh, just so you know, the receipt is so cheap. I couldn't believe my eyes. Just look at this. This is the receipt. It's so cheap. I can't believe it. Oh, now it's time to show the blind boxes. You first. Okay, you first. Okay.
Ini guys ya. Aku pengen dapat yang itu, yang mana ya? Yang ini, yang ini.
She wanna get the
Yeah, so cute.
She wants to get the pink hair girl. Why? It's cute. She's cute. Like her.
Suka, aku suka.
In the count of 3, 2, 1, open.
Ada aja.
Are you having a hard time, sis? Come on, just blind box. Oh, what did she get? Oh, there's a peek hole in me. Wait. There's a peek hole in me so we can see what's inside. I can't see it, so let's open it. What do you think we... You gotta... Wait.
So cute.
Ih, kamu dapat yang... Oh my god, kamu dapat yang My Melody.
Oh!
My Melody, sama kayak joknya. Ternyata Adriana punya My Melody, guys. Sama kayak ini, guys. Open, go.
Belum masuk. Betul.
Oh, wait. Just so you know, please take watch of my sister. Okay. Caesar.
Ini belakangannya, ini depannya.
Just so you know that you were guys expecting for a long time, but now it's okay.
Ini spesial banget.
Okay, we will open it.
Mama Melody.
Just look at it.
Mama
So
Melody ya,
satisfying.
sama aja ya.
Oh.
Bukan tombol poin ya.
Oh, and guess what do we got?
Wait.
Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, this is the cutest thing I ever seen. Wait, look at the figure.
Juga gini loh ini, ya. Wah!
Guess what I found?
Aku bantuin ya.
This is the baby series, and I kind of wanna get the secret one. And look at it. This is the secret one. Hello Kitty. Just look at it. It's so cute. Look, it says baby series. Are you sure you can open it? Sini, Tab.
Tunggu. Oh, masuk. Ini dulu mau ada kecil-kecil dulu ini.
Are you sure?
It's me.
Siapa itu?
Bantuin.
It's mine.
Sorry.
Let me help you open it. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is the pattern. It's so cool.
Yeah.
Like Minnesota faces almost ever. Like it was promoting some, shopping.
Tunggu. Ini tahu na.
Look at I got my Melody. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest thing I've ever
Melody
seen.
beneran.
Sama kayaknya Dek.
Wait.
Ini brand boxnya kok sama.
Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Now let's open it and see if I can put it all by myself.
Ini bunduan apa?
Let's admit I can use scissors. In the count of 3 to 1, and what do you think?
Sama guys.
It's the same thing over again. My Melody, again and again. What's happening? How to open? Please hit me.
Aku enak. Tapi kan nanti nggak, tapi kan ini patah nanti.
To be.
Ini nggak bidu. Betul ya. Oh ini loh, tekan. Ini tekan. Oke.
Oke.
Close. Nah, wait. Close.
Ini lucu. Ini pas waktu kecil ada. Ada
my bestie.
hasilnya ini. Tuh kan lucu nggak kira-kira viewer YouTube?
Punya adik yang mana? Ini.
Adi nih. Ini mainan, bisa jadi mainan babynya ini.
Cuman plot twistnya ini kok bisa sama ya ini. Blind box-nya kan beda-beda. Cuman ini isinya itu kayak sama, main melodi semua. Look. Ini bisa jadi gantungan kunci loh.
Tunggu.
Ini kan that I'm going to say goodbye to all of you. So goodbye, farewell, have a good one, and I hope you all have a good day. Yeah, that's all.
Bye.
Come on, guys, nothing else. All I got is kisses, okay? Nothing else. You have to respect me. I'm not a servant, okay?
Bye.